Welcome to this video. Snappis is the leader in providing cloud-connected POS solutions to uplift the retailer's business. Snappis Toto is one such product with a lot of exciting features which can make your work hassle-free. With complete market being digitized, it still remains as one of the major problems for retailers to get online orders. Taking this into consideration, Snappis has come up with a simple 3-step process to take your store online. Fill in your store details. Our catalog genie will help you in selecting your store catalog. Your store is created and you are online. Now finally, you can send invite to your customers to order online. Once you are onboarded on Toto, your free trial will be activated for a period of 15 days, after which you can opt for any subscription plan as per your choice. Toto is a one go-to app for today's digitized merchants, with the help of which you can make your billing faster and super efficient, take your store online and get orders from your customers, manage your inventory in a single click using the mobile application, 2 lakh plus preloaded catalog to build your online store much faster, build your customer loyalty through push SMS and loyalty points, get financial support from NBFCs to run your business better, grow your business with no inventory or investment using Never, and get access to merchant welfare schemes. Take your store online in just 30 seconds. Get online orders and manage them from your Toto mobile application anywhere, anytime. Customers can place online orders from the consumer-facing application SnapOrder by choosing either pickup or delivery and track their orders till it's delivered. Once your customers place their orders online, you can then process their orders directly from SnapOrder section in Toto and mark them as delivered. Our global database of 2 lakh plus products help in maintaining your inventory. Store management has never been so easy before. Now you can track your real-time stock and keep them updated, and even add discounts on online store directly from inventory. Loose or packaged products can be easily added into the cart either by scanning the barcode using inbuilt barcode camera scanner, or by product search, or using our special feature Quick Add with just one click. Newly scanned barcoded products or added loose products will become part of your store, which helps during peak hour billing. You can even keep a proper track of your stock by receiving low stock alert. In the checkout, you even have an option to give discount to your customers, do payment via multiple payment modes, mark the bill as invoice or estimate, and send e-bill to your customers via SMS or email. A happy customer means more repeated purchases, which in turn means increase in your sales. Customer credit, different modes of payment due reminders can be tracked with our customer or khata management. This strengthens the relationship with your customers. Boost your customer loyalty by offering them reward points during their purchases. You can even track the bills of your customers from our bills history section, so that whenever your customer comes back with some query regarding their transactions, you can show them what are the bills that they made from your store. This will help you in maintaining better customer relationships. Promote your store by creating attractive offers and discounts on products, and send bulk messages to your customers about the offer details with the help of a structured push offer template. Most importantly, with Toto, you can be GST compliant, which will help you to avail credit facilities from banks and financial institutions, and you can even generate reports to file GST. Different reports help in analyzing your store performance. This is how easy and convenient billing is with the help of our billing solution. So today itself, without any further delay, you can opt for it and increase your profit margin amid this pandemic. Thanks.